Next, section C. In the 29 question, solve the system of linear equation by applying Cramer's rule. 3x plus 2y is equals to 8 and 2x plus 5y is equals to 9. So first write two linear equations here. 3x plus 2y is equals to 8. Next, 2x plus 5y is equals to what here? 9. So just for your reference, here mention LHS side as well as what here right hand side. In LHS side, first x term comes and next comes what here y term, and in the right hand side next is a constant term comes. So for x term, what we need to do is take the coefficient of x in equation number 1 and write the coefficient of x in equation number 2, that is 3 and 2. Similarly, coefficient of y is 2 in the first equation, coefficient of y is 5 in the second equation, and right hand side the constant numbers, that is 8 and 9. So after writing this, next here we need to find first value is what here? Delta. So to find out the delta, we need to take x and y term, that is 3, 2, 2, 5. So in second order determinant. Next, do the cross multiplication. 3 into 5 is how much here? 15 minus 2 into 2 is how much here? 4. Therefore 15 minus 4 is how much here? 11. Next, after finding delta, next we need to find out what here? Delta x. For delta x, according to the Cramer's rule, what we need to do is first column we should replace by this constant numbers, that is 8 and 9, and second column in delta as it is we need to keep. Next, again do the cross multiplication. 8 into 5 is 40 minus 9 into 2 is how much here? 18. Therefore 40 minus of 18 is 22. Next, find delta y. So for delta y, in delta second column we should replace by the constant term, first column as it is, that is 3, 2, and the next one is what here? 8 and 9. Again apply the second order determinant rule. 3 into 9, 27, minus 8 into 2 is how much here? 16. So 27 minus 16 is 11. After finding these three values, next we need to find out here which value? X. Therefore in Cramer's rule, formula is delta x divided by delta. Delta x is 22 divided by delta value is 11. So this is the final answer, otherwise you can cancel these two. Therefore x value is 2 and y value, formula is delta y divided by what here? Delta. So delta y is 11 divided by delta value is also 11. Cancel these two. So what is the value here? 1. Therefore x is equals to 2 and y value is how much here? 1. So this is the final answer. Next, question number 30. Identify the singular matrices in the following matrices. A is equals to 3, 7, 4, 0, B is equals to 3, 1, 9, 3, and C is equals to 1, 2, 7, 3. This means here 3 matrix A, matrix B and matrix C are given. In this we need to identify which matrix is singular matrix. So to identify this, first we need to understand what is meant by singular matrix. Already I told you singular matrix condition is what? Any square matrix you consider whose determinant value, if it is goes to 0, then such type of matrix we are going to call it as what here? Singular matrix. So here first we need to find out the determinant of A, determinant of B and determinant of C. In these three, which matrix value goes to 0, that we need to see first. So therefore first in the solution find out the determinant of A, that is determinant of A value is 3, 7, 4, 0. okay, which is equals to, as usual, second order determinant rule you apply. 3 into 0 is 0 minus 7 into 4 is how much? 28. Therefore, it is minus 28. Clearly, you can observe this value is not equals to what here? 0. After that, find out the determinant of B. So, determinant of B value is what? 3, 1, 9, 3. Again, apply the second order rule. 3 into 3 is how much here? 9 minus 1. 9 into 1 is how much here? 9. So, which is equals to what here? 0. And similarly, find out the determinant of C value. So, determinant of C value is what here? 1, 2, 7, 3. Again, apply the second order rule. So 1 into 3 is what? 3. Middle minus sign. 7 into 2 is how much here? 14. Therefore, which is equals to 3 minus 14 is how much here? 11. So you know 11 is not equals to what here? 0. So easily here we can observe which determinant value goes to 0 here? B. Therefore, here we need to write B is singular matrix. B is which type of matrix here? Singular matrix, because after finding the determinant, that final answer goes to what here? 0. So this is the final answer. So next, question number 31. Find equation of the line passing through the point 2, 3 and parallel to the line 5x minus 4y plus 4 is equals to what here? 0. So in this question there are two lines are there. So second line already equation is given. 5x minus 4y plus 4 is equals to 0. We need to find out the first line equation. But condition is given what? This first line is already passing through one point, that is 2, 3, and this line is parallel to another line 5x minus 4y plus 4 is equals to what here? 0. So here first line is passing through 2, 3. Already one point is given. So here we are going to apply 1 point formula. Equation of straight line. Equation of straight line. Which formula we are going to use here? Y minus y1 is equals to m into bracket what here? X minus x1. But here this line is passing through one point x1, y1 is given, but which value is not given here? Slope value. So to get this slope, we are going to use the second line first. Therefore, in the solution, first note down second line equation. 5x minus 4y plus 4 is equals to 0. You know it is of the form ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Here a value is how much here? 5, comma b value is how much here? Minus 4 including the negative sign, and c value is how much here? 4. You know whenever ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 is given, so that time slope second line is there. So I am going to mention that the slope value is what? m2 is equals to, formula is minus a divided by b. So minus, keep it as it is, a value is 5 divided by b value is minus 4. Therefore m2 value goes to 5 divided by 4. This is second line slope. Now using this second line slope, we are going to find out the first line slope here. Therefore how to find out? Using parallel condition. So what they are telling, both the lines are what here? Parallel. So write that condition. Since two lines are parallel. So two lines are what here? Parallel. So that time what is the condition? m1 value is always equals to what here? m2. Therefore already we got which value here? m2. How much? 5 divided by 4. This is only the value of what? m1, because parallel condition is m1 is equals to what here? m2. Therefore here m1 value goes to how much here? 5 divided by 4. 5 divided by 4, and already one point is given, 2, 3. Consider as x1, y1. Now substitute. Therefore y minus y1 is what here 3 is equals to m1 is how much here 5 divided by 4 into bracket x minus x1 is how much here 2. Again here do the cross multiplication. That time 4 into bracket y minus 3 is equals to 5 into bracket x minus 2. Open the bracket. 4 into y is 4y. 4 into 3 12 is equals to 5 into x is 5x minus 5 into 2 is how much here 10. Here easily you can observe x contains positive sign, so we need to shift plus 4y and minus 12 to right hand side. That time 0 is equals to 5x as it is, plus 4y becomes minus 4y, minus 12 becomes how much here plus 12, and already minus 10 is present, keep it as it is. Therefore 0 is equals to 5x minus 4y. 12 minus 10 is how much here plus 2. This is required equation of what here straight line. Next question number 32. Prove that sine 3a is equals to 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a. This is a compound angle formula. So here we need to show left hand side value is equals to what here right hand side. Therefore first take here left hand side LHS. So what is that LHS? Sine 3a. Okay, so after that next step what we need to do is sine, keep it as it is. Next split this 3a as what here 2a plus a. 3a as 2a plus a. So that time once I split 3a as 2a plus a, this looks like sine a plus b. Sine a plus b. So that time here we are going to apply sine a plus b formula. Sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. Sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. But a means 2a, b means a. Therefore this goes to sine 2a into cos a plus cos 2a into what here sine a into sine a. Next after that next again in compound angle there is a formula. There is a formula. So what is that formula? Sine 2a. So sine 2a is equals to 2 times of sine a into what here cos a. So this formula again here another formula is there in compound angle. What is that? Cos 2a is equals to 1 minus 2 times of what here sine square a. So now these two formulas here we are going to substitute. Therefore which is equals to here sine 2a is there. You know sine 2a is nothing but what? 2 times of sine a into what here cos a. Next this cos a, keep it as it is, cos a. Next plus cos 2a. Cos 2a is what? 1 minus 2 times of what here sine square a into this sine a. I am going to keep it as it is, sine a. Next do the simplification. 2 sine a as it is. Next multiply these two. Cos into cos goes to what here cos square a. Next plus here open the bracket. Sine a into 1 is what here sine a, plus into minus is minus. Next sine a into 2 sine square a is what? 2 times of what here sine cube a. Next which is equals to, next you can see final answer it is in terms of what sine only, but here we are getting 1 cos. Next we should replace this cos by what here sine. That's why here trigonometric identity formula we are going to use. What is that? You know sine square theta plus cos square theta, value is how much here? 1. So here cos square theta goes to what here? Shift this 1 minus of what here? Sine square theta. This formula here we are going to apply. So that time it is 2 sine A, keep it as it is, 2 sine A, keep it as it is, cos square A. Cos square A is nothing but what? 1 minus of what here? Sine square A, plus this sine A as it is, minus this 2 sine cube A also, keep it as it is. Next, open the bracket. 2 sine A into 1 is what here? 2 sine A. Next, 2 sine A into sine square A is 2 times of sine A into sine square goes to what? Sine cube A. Plus, keep this sine A as it is, minus 2 sine cube A also, keep it as it is. Next, finally, here easily you can observe here 2 times of sine A, here 1 times of sine A. So 2 plus 1 is how much? 3 times of what here? Sine A. Next, here you can see minus 2 times of sine cube, minus 2 times of sine cube is minus 4 times of what here? Sine cube A. So which is equals to which part here? RHS. Therefore LHS is equals to what here? RHS. Next, question number 33. Prove that tan pi by 4 plus A is equals to 1 plus tan A divided by 1 minus tan A. So here again we need to show LHS is equals to what here? RHS. So for that, first take left hand side value. So what is that left hand side? Tan pi divided by 4 plus A. Okay, so here you can see this pi divided by 4 plus A looks like tan A plus B. Correct? This looks like what? Tan A plus B. So that time a compound angle tan A plus B formula we are going to use. So what is that formula? Tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into what here? Tan B. Remember, A means pi divided by 4 and B means how much here? A. So now apply. Therefore, which is equals to, so tan A means tan pi by 4 plus tan A divided by 1 minus tan pi by 4 into tan A. Tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Means here left hand side is there. For this left hand side we are going to apply this right hand side value. So next, which is equals to, next here you can see pi divided by 4, tan pi by 4, and here also tan pi by 4 is there. So you know tan pi divided by 4, it is in the radian. Pi by 4 means how much degree? 45 degree. In trigonometric table, tan 45 degree value is how much here? 1. That's why here tan 45 directly goes to how much here? 1 plus what is the remaining value here? Tan A divided by 1 minus this tan pi by 4 goes to 1 into what is the remaining value here? Tan A. Therefore final answer is 1 plus tan A divided by what here? 1 minus tan A. So which is equals to which part here? RHS. So LHS is equals to what here? RHS. Next, question number 34. Apply product rule to find out the derivative of the function y is equals to x square e power x sin x. So if you want to solve this example, here we are going to apply the product rule, or also it is called what? Multiplication rule. For how many functions here? 3 functions, because here 3 functions are given. Therefore in the solution, write y is equals to first function x square, second function e power x into third function is what here sin x. This is the first function, this is the second function, and this is the third function. Next, differentiate with respect to x, with respect to x. So that time y differentiation with respect to x is what? Dy divided by what here? Dx. So is equals to, so if three functions are given, what is the formula? First we have to differentiate first function, then second and third function we need to keep it as it is, plus second function differentiation first and third we should keep it as it is, plus third function differentiation, that time first and second function we need to keep it as it is. Therefore first differentiation of x square, second and third function keep it as it is, e power x sin x, plus differentiation of second function e power x, so that time first and last function keep it as it is, plus differentiation of last function, that is sin x, so that time first and second keep it as it is, x square e power x. So which is equals to, only x square differentiation we should do. Therefore x square differentiation is what here? 2x, e power x and sin x keep it as it is, e power x sin x, plus e power x differentiation is e power x, then x square sin x keep it as it is, x square sin x, plus sin x differentiation is what here? Cos x, then x square e power x keep it as it is. So this is the final answer. So next, question number 35. If y is the distance travelled in meters by a particle in the time x second is given by y is equals to 4x cube minus 6x square plus x minus 7. Find the velocity and acceleration when x is equals to 2 seconds. Means in this question we need to find out the velocity as well as what? Acceleration after when x is equals to for how many seconds here? 2 seconds. So before solving this, first see the definition of velocity. Velocity means what? Rate of change of displacement. Okay, so here distance traveled by the particle in meters, already it is given. So v is equals to ds divided by dt. ds by dt means what? Rate of change of displacement with respective time. This ratio we are going to call it as what here? Velocity. And this velocity, if we differentiate with respect to time t, that time we will get the ratio dv divided by dt. This is what we call it as what here? Acceleration. Means this y is equals to whatever the given function is there, this if we differentiate first time we will get the velocity, and after getting that velocity, that final answer if we differentiate one more time, that time we will get what here? Acceleration. So first we will write the given function. So y is equals to 4x cube minus 6x square plus x minus 7. So first do the differentiation with respect to what? Time. So that time y differentiation is what? Dy divided by what here? Dx. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 terms are there, in between plus and minus sign. So in a differentiation we are going to apply plus and minus rule. That tells every term we need to do the differentiation. While doing the differentiation, if function beside number comes, take that number outside. So 4 I am going to take it outside, a differentiation of x cube, 6 constant take it outside, a differentiation of x square, plus differentiation of x minus pure number, that differentiation of 7. so which is equals to 4 as it is. For x cube we are going to apply x power n formula, that is n into x raised to n minus 1. Here n means 3, so it goes to 3 into x raised to 3 minus 1 minus 6 as it is. X square differentiation is 2x plus x differentiation is 1 minus number differentiation means 7 differentiation directly goes to what here 0. Therefore this is what we call it as what here velocity. Therefore velocity v is equals to 4 into 3 12 x to the power 2 minus 6 into 2 is what here 12 x plus 1. So this we will call as equation number 1. So after getting velocity, this we need to do the differentiation, then only we will get which value here acceleration. Again do the differentiation, correct? So that time this is nothing but dy divided by dx. Therefore dy by dx, if we differentiate one more time, it will become d square y divided by what here dx square. Again 12 is the constant, take it outside, differentiation of x square. Again 12 constant, take it outside, differentiation of what here x plus differentiation of what here 1, which is equals to 12 as it is. X square differentiation is 2x minus 12 into x differentiation is 1 and number differentiation directly goes to what here 0, and this ratio we are going to call it as what here acceleration. Therefore a is equals to 12 into 2 is 24x minus 12. So this we are going to call it as equation number 2. See, we got velocity, this is the velocity, and we got acceleration, this is the acceleration. But question is, after finding velocity and acceleration, wherever x comes we need to substitute for how many seconds here? 2 seconds. So from 1, so what is that one? Velocity at x is equals to 2 seconds is equals to, what is that velocity? 12 into x square minus 12 into x plus 1. Here wherever x comes substitute 2, so it is 12 into 2 square, so 12 into 2 square minus 12 into what here 2 plus 1. Therefore 2 square is how much here? 4. So 12 into 4 is 48 minus 12 into 2, 24 plus 1. 48 minus 24 plus 1, if you do, we will get 25. So next from 2. So what is that 2? Acceleration when x is equals to 2 seconds. What is that acceleration value? 24x minus of 12. So 24 into x value is how much here? 2 minus 12. So 24 into 2, 48 minus 12. So 48 minus 12 is how much here? 36. So this is 25 is the velocity value when x is equals to 2 seconds, and 36 is the acceleration value when x is equals to how much? 2 seconds. Next, find equation of tangent to the curve y is equals to x square plus x at the point 1 comma 2. Here we need to find out the equation of tangent. So equation of tangent formula is equation of tangent formula is y minus y1 is equals to m into bracket x minus x1. So here already x1 and y1 is given, but which value is not given? Slope m. How to find out this slope? Using this function. First we need to find out the value of dy by dx. After that, if we substitute 1 comma 2, we will get slope of the tangent. Therefore in the solution, first we need to find out slope of tangent. Slope of tangent, that is m, is question mark, and already 1 comma 2, that is x1 and y1 is already given. Therefore consider that curve y is equals to x square plus x. Do the differentiation with respect to what here, x. So y differentiation with respect to x is dy divided by what here, dx is equals to addition rule, that is a differentiation of x square plus a differentiation of x. You know, x square differentiation is 2x plus x differentiation is 1. After finding dy by dx, we need to substitute that point. Therefore dy divided by dx at 1 comma 2. So at 1 comma 2, here 1 is x value and 2 is y value, but here only x is there. So 2 into x means how much here, 1 plus 1. Therefore 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1. So 2 plus 1 is how much here, 3. So this 3 is the value of what here, m. So m is called what here, slope of tangent. Therefore after finding this slope, we need to find out equation of tangent. What is that formula? Y minus y1 is equals to m into bracket x minus x1. Now substitute. Y minus y1 is how much here? 2 is equals to m is how much here? 3 into bracket x minus x1 is how much here? 1. Then simplify. Y minus 2 is equals to 3 into x is 3x minus 3 into 1 is how much here, 3. X contains positive sign, so shift these two values to right hand side. So 0 is equals to already 3x, keep it as it is, plus y becomes what here, minus y, minus 2 becomes what here, plus 2, and already minus 3 is there, keep it as it is. Therefore 0 is equals to 3x minus y plus 2 minus 3 goes to how much here, minus 1. So this is the required equation of what, tangent. Next, question number 37. Find the area under the curve y is equals to x square plus 1 with the axis, with the x-axis coordinates x is equals to 1 and x is equals to 2. So here we need to find out area under the curve. So there is a formula, area under the curve a is equals to, that is integration from a to b y with respect to what here, dx. So this is the formula for area. So here this is the lower limit, the lowest value, that is 1, substitute. This is the upper limit, that is the highest value, that is 2. Then substitute the y value. What is that y value? X square plus 1. So now integrate x square as well as what here, 1. Therefore while doing x square integration, we are going to apply x power n. So x square integration, we are going to apply x power n formula, x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1, and this integration of 1 answer directly goes to how much here, x. Therefore it is x power n means 2, so it is 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 plus 1 integration goes to x. After doing these two integration, here lower limit and here upper limit comes. Then simplify. So it is x cube divided by 3 plus x from 1 to 2. Next, in place of x, first upper limit. So what is that upper limit? 2 cube divided by 3 plus 2, middle always minus sign, and in the place of x substitute the lower limit, 1 cube divided by 3 plus 1. Next, simplify. 2 cube is 8 divided by 3 plus 2 minus 1 cube is 1 divided by 3 plus 1. So here take the LCM. So here LCM becomes 3. So here multiply by 1, here multiply by 3. So 8 into 1 is 8 plus 2 into 3 is how much here, 6. Minus, here also take the LCM, LCM becomes 3. So multiply by 1 and here multiply by 3. 1 into 1 is 1 plus 3 into 1 is how much here, 3. Therefore, which is equals to 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6 is how much here, 14 divided by 3 minus 1 plus 3, 4 divided by 3. is equals to, again take the LCM. Here LCM becomes 3, so multiply here by 1. So 14 into 1 is 14, minus 4 into 1 is 4. Therefore 14 minus 4 is how much here? 10 divided by 3 square unit. That is the value of what here? Area. Otherwise, if you don't know how to take the LCM, better here you use the calculator. After using the calculator, you will get the same answer. Next, question number 38. Find volume of a solid generated by revolving the curve y square is equals to x plus 2 between x is equals to 0 and x is equals to 1. So here we need to find out the volume. There is a volume formula. What is that formula? Volume V is equals to pi from integration from a to b y square with respect to what here? Dx. So this is the volume formula. So here pi value we are going to keep it as it is. Integration, this is the lower limit, lowest value is 0, and this is the upper limit, highest value is how much here? 1. Next here y square is there. What is the y square value here? X plus 2. Y square value is x plus 2. Substitute here x plus 2 with respect to what here? Dx. Next pi, keep it as it is. Next, in between these two plus symbol is there, so both the function we need to do the integration. So here again we are going to apply integration of x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1, and here integration of 2 comes. So here in integration there is a rule. If pure number comes, that number we need to take it outside. If I take 2 outside, what is the remaining value? 1. Then 2 we need to keep it as it is. Integration of 1 goes to how much here? X. Therefore integration of 2, answer is how much here? 2x. So now these two formulas here we need to apply. Here power means 1 is there. Apply this formula. It is x power 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 plus 2 integration goes to how much here? 2x. After doing the integration, here lower limit and here upper limit comes. Therefore it is pi as it is. So it goes to x square divided by 2 plus 2x from 0 to 1. Next, in place of x, first upper limit, then lower limit. Therefore pi as it is. So first upper limit is 1. So it is 1 square divided by 2 plus 2 into 1. This is the upper limit. Middle minus sign, lower limit. So it is lower limit is 0. So 0 square divided by 2 plus 2 into how much here? 0. Therefore pi as it is. So 1 square is how much here? 1 divided by 2 plus 2 into 1 is how much here? 2. 2 minus 0 square is 0. 0 divided by any value directly goes to 0, plus 2 into 0 is how much here? 0. Therefore which is equals to pi as it is. Next, you can take the LCM. LCM becomes 2. So here multiply by 1, here multiply by 2. So 1 into 1 is 1 plus 2 into 2 is how much here? 4. Minus this entire value directly goes to how much here? 0. Therefore which is equals to this pi as it is. I am going to keep it. Next 1 plus 4 is how much here? 5 divided by 2. Otherwise you can write it as 5 pi divided by 2. So this is which value? Volume value. Thank you.